Kumja lising amanga chamapan yangkai humdoida Manipur ki Kabaw Valley bu yumthangnariba leibak matam amada Burma haina khangnaramba Myanmar leibakta matam adugi Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru na pithokibaga mari leinana Manipur ki Rajya Sabha ki MP Sanajaoba laisemana ngasi Rajya Sabha da wafam kaya pukhatkhrei ngasi dagi hauduna mathang thagi mari fawba chathagadawriba Parliament ki budget session mifam gi ani suba sarukta Kabaw Valley bu Amuk Hanna Manipur gi lam Oihan-Naba kari karamba thabak paikhatpa yabage haiba adu Yengsinbiyu haina ngashigi question hour gi matamda house ki pukning chingsinki Kumja lising amaga chamri yangkhai gi matamdagi Manipur gi lam oina lairakhiba mafam ase resource marang kaina leiba mafam amani Manipur gi Kabaw Valley bu Myanmar da pithokiba si Manipur gi puwari da Khwaidagi laibak thiba thodok amani maramdi mafam ase pithoktringai matamda matam adugi India gi Parliament ki ayaba natraga state ki wafam amata tadana Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru na pithokiba haiba ase Treaty of Yengsinbiyu gi mayoktani haiki.
The given away of Kabaw Valley to Burma was the most unfortunate day in the history of Manipur because it was done without any prior approval of Indian Parliament or state endorsement or rectification. Moreover, Nehru completely ignored the terms and the conditions of the Treaty of Yengsinbiyu of 1826 and accordingly to Kabaw Valley 1834, Burma agreed to pay a sum of rupees 500 Sikar rupees per month as compensation of Kabaw Valley to the then King of Manipur, Sri Gambhir Singh. The said amount had been paid to Manipur till 1949. After 1949, with the merger of Manipur to India, the same amount was paid to Government of India till around 1953. Without knowing all this historical background, Nehru gifted away this resourceful valley to Burma. Moreover, because of this historical blunder, Manipur will never forgive Nehru and his party Congress. Now the valley is no more with Manipur, India, and no compensation is received yet. So I earnestly urge upon the India government through this house to examine the feasibilities of returning Kabaw Valley